Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G309 LIGHTSPEED. In this video I'll show you how to update firmware of your mouse. In the beginning, enter Logitech G309. If there's any update available, you can locate it on the main page of the app. Simply tap install or press this button. Now you have to wait. And it's done. If you want to check firmware, enter your mouse settings. And here is the current firmware version of your mouse. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.